good day, Ma'am J. So I am VJ Soyman, so B93. So this is my presentation, your activity in activity 5, which I used to create by making a voltmeter. So here's my code. So as you can see here, we have here the Arduino Uno IDE. So this is the code that that the code that's shown. So we have here the include wire.h, so include the library code. So include liquid crystals I2C.h. So we have here the liquid crystal underscore I2C LCD, then 0 times 27 16 2. So in this code, it's about to create a LCD object with 2 I2C address, 0 times 27 with the 16 cars and 2 lines. So we have here the float val is equals to 0. So in this section, in this case, the variable is to store voltage value. So we have here also the void setup. So begin with the serial begin 9600, then LCD dot init, then LCD backlight, then LCD print voltage value. So serial begin is to initialize the serial monitor like at 9600. Then LCD is to initialize the LCD. Then LCD backlight is to turn on the LCD backlight. Then LCD print is to display the text in LCD. So the next one is void loop. So val is equals to analog read A0. So in this area, so to read the analog value from A to 0, A0, then value 0.5 val plus 0.5 analog read A0 is to create a simple smoothing filter to less the noisy and reading. Then val is equals to val 1024 times 5.0 is to convert to voltage from 0 dash to 5 volt. So we have here the serial print val. So print voltage to serial monitor, then serial print V, serial print line, then LCD cursor, set cursor 61. So in this case, to set the cursor second line, then in the column 6. So LCD print val, display the voltage to LCD, then LCD print V, then delay 200. So wait for 200 ms before next reading. So that's all, ma'am. So we can proceed to the output. So this is the output. So this is the Arduino. So if you turn to the right, then the LCD will increase. Then if you turn to left, it will decrease. It shows decrease. So that's all. Thank you.